Hello everyone. Imagine if you could just take one capsule a day that is going to help you to stop inflammation completely. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's now a reality. I'm excited to talk about this one powerful anti inflammatory capsule, which is backed by science, which is going to help you to stop inflammation. So, if you have been struggling with chronic pain or fatigue, or bloating or any other signs of inflammation, you definitely want to stick around to learn more about this capsule, how it can change your life. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a board certified family physician with advanced training in functional and peptide therapy. I've helped thousands of people to reverse their chronic conditions, especially Hashimoto's. And what I have seen is that the root cause of their problem is chronic inflammation. Nobody has completely addressed this chronic inflammation, and that's the reason they never get better. This chronic inflammation causes different kinds of issues like joint pains, feeling tired, having brain fog issues, having chronic diseases like thyroid or diabetes or even cancer. That's the reason addressing this chronic underlying inflammation is the number one thing that you need to work on so that you can get your health back. And that's exactly the reason this one capsule can be a game changer for you. Now, let me just first talk about all the ingredients which is required to actually fight off inflammation. Now, most people ask me this question: is inflammation really that bad for my body? So, in reality, inflammation is a defense mechanism in our body. Whenever our body gets attacked with either a bacteria or a virus, or it gets triggered with external toxins, inflammation helps protect our body to get rid of those external threat that our body gets exposed to. But this inflammatory process is supposed to stop once the external threat is gone. The problem is that in majority of the people, this acute inflammation doesn't stop, and it actually continues to go on and on and on, and that is what we call as chronic inflammation. This chronic inflammation is responsible for damaging our own body and causing various diseases and symptoms. The other issue is that this chronic inflammation is caused by various reasons, so it is very important to address it completely, and for that we need various natural resources so that we can attack it from all different angles. So let's talk about all the ingredients which is present in this capsule, which is going to help completely eradicate inflammation from your body. The number one ingredient in this is Boswellia. Boswellia is also known as Indian Frankincense. The extract from this plant is very high in boswellic acid, which has shown in research studies that it blocks a specific enzyme which is called 5-LOX. This particular enzyme is responsible in producing several pro-inflammatory chemicals and molecules and chemokines in your body. So by blocking this enzyme, it actually helps in reducing inflammation in the body. We have several research studies which shows that Boswellia is very effective in reducing especially pain and swelling in people's joints as well as in your muscles. So that's the reason Boswellia is really helpful for stopping inflammation. The second ingredient on this list is quercetin. Quercetin is a plant flavonoid which is actually found in several fruits like skin of apples as well as vegetables like onions. It has been shown that quercetin has really nice ability to reduce inflammation in the body as well as combat oxidative stress and support your immune system. Quercetin stabilizes the mast cells, which are immune cells which are releasing histamine and inflammatory chemicals in response to stress or injury or any chemical your body get exposed to. Quercetin also helps lower inflammatory markers like interleukin 6 as well as TNF alpha, and that's the reason it is really very powerful to in reducing inflammation. And as I said, especially people who have histamine intolerance and mast cell disorder, quercetin is a game changer. The third ingredient on this list is curcumin. Curcumin is an active compound which is found in turmeric. We have several research studies which support that curcumin is a very powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin especially inhibits the activation of NF-kappa B. It has been shown this NF-kappa B is present in our cells and is a very important molecule in our inflammatory pathways and triggers triggering of NF-kappa B causes high inflammation levels in our body. And by inhibiting this particular molecule, curcumin reduces inflammation in our body. We have several research studies that curcumin is really good for people with autoimmune conditions like inflammatory bowel conditions, Hashimoto's conditions, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, as well as it also protects your brain from any neurodegeneration. So especially people with MS also benefit from consuming curcumin on the regular basis. The fourth ingredient on this list is ginger root extracts. Ginger root extract is high in antioxidant compound called gingerols. These gingerols have powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in your body. Especially for reducing inflammation in the gut, ginger works really great. It not only helps support healing your leaky gut, but also helps lower inflammation and improves your digestion in your gut, so your gut can absorb all the nutrients. And we know that majority of the inflammation starts in the gut. So by supporting the gut health, ginger helps reducing overall inflammation in your body. So you see, all of these ingredients are working on multiple pathways which are involved in inflammatory process in your body. They block different enzymes which produces inflammatory molecules, as well as they boost the antioxidant defenses in your body, and thereby providing you a comprehensive way of reducing inflammation in the body. This particular capsule is called InflammaPro, which I have formulated, which has all of these ingredients present into it. This particular capsule is very useful for people who have chronic pain or joint stiffness. Either they have autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's or rheumatoid arthritis or MS, or they have skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, or you have just chronic inflammation in your body and you can just feel it. This particular capsule can be very, very useful for all of those people. Now, it is very important to support this one capsule with an anti-inflammatory diet and an anti-inflammatory lifestyle, because that anti-inflammatory diet is going to help this capsule to work better for your body. The best way to take this capsule is take it with food, because all of these ingredients get absorbed in your body if you're taking them with food, so they can have maximum benefit in your body. Now, this is not a pharmaceutical medicine. This is a natural supplement. So it works slowly. You might not see a benefit in a day or two, but if you take it consistently for 15 to 20 days, that's the time you're going to see a significant improvement in your inflammation levels and how you're feeling general in your body. So now you know this one capsule which has all the natural ingredients to reduce inflammation in your body. If unfortunately you do not have access to this capsule, then you just can take all of these ingredients separately, and that is still going to be very useful in reducing inflammation in your body. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this great information with other people who can benefit from it. Until next time, take care, be healthy, bye bye.